control burns up here. That's what I love about my home state, is they take care of the forest. Burning all the overgrowth and stuff. Imagine camping up here not knowing they were doing this. It's funny. Yeah. See, they come up here early. They work their asses off. They get all this dead brush and all this stuff out. Clear the ground all off of dead branches. Like, see that tree's dead up there, but they'll just big piles everywhere, and then they'll come back when it's raining. It's been raining all night. See the piles right there. And they'll come through and they'll light them. There's a bunch over there. It's pretty badass. If you're looking for a good job, you younger guys and girls and gals, that's the job right there, is forestry. I've always wanted to get into that. Just, I don't know. I have ADD, so I don't pursue my dreams. Yeah, look at all these. It's pretty cool. They come through and burn all of them. This is a little beautiful section right here. Dark clouds coming in.